All right.
Nice, very casual fun.
So we're getting ready to do some microneedling this afternoon for Roxanne. And Erin is just getting started, getting her prepped and ready to go. So Erin, what are you doing to get her ready to go?
I'm just using one of our basic cleansers just to get her face all cleaned up. And then after that, we will go ahead and apply a topical numbing afterwards so that she is nice and comfortable for the procedure.
And then how long do we let that sit before you get started?
Oh, 20 minutes to half an hour.
Okay. So while we're waiting, we're going to take a look at the pin that is the device that Erin's going to use today to do Roxanne's microneedling. Mm-hmm. So that's it. It's got 36 pins in it.
Yep.
You can see. So can you tell me a little bit more about how the device works and what you're going to do?
So the device has 36 needles that when we go over the skin, we are able to adjust the depth and the speed of the pen, causing a controlled damage to the dermis. When you use the 36 pins, it will bring plasma to the surface from the pinpoint bleeding, allowing collagen to rebuild in the skin, giving you a more youthful. So the collagen production, what that'll do for you is it'll give you a stronger, more youthful skin, getting rid of hyperpigmentation, acne scarring. It'll just give you a better texture overall.
Perfect.
So as you can see right there, she did bring some pinpoint bleeding to surface, and that's great. That's exactly what we want to see.
So how are you doing so far, Roxanne?
I feel great.
Good?
Very comfortable.
Good. And so Erin is using what they call a glide on this, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is actually the first time Roxanne has had this done, and she just is mentioning that it's like really comfortable, and actually the vibration of the pen is kind of soothing, right?
Yeah, it's actually, it feels kind of good on the jawbone area, especially if you're somebody who clenches.
Okay, so what are you doing now that we're done with the needling?
Now I'm just applying cool compresses to Roxanne's face to just give relief to the treatment area and to also clean it up.
So Roxanne's actually getting a little add-on of a peel with a 4% protein-rich retinol. And it's a perfect time to do this because the microneedling has created microchannels in her skin and makes it more permeable and more receptive to product. So this is just going to give her continued added benefits from the treatment. Let's talk about aftercare for microneedling.
So the number one important thing is to stay out of the sun. We are opening up your skin, so we do have a skincare kit that you have to stay on for 4 days. The post-procedure kit is built right into the treatment, so you will go home with a cleanser, and this is what you will use afterwards to cleanse your face with. So the next product that I want to talk about is called Phase. This is what we used on Roxanne's face for Glide when we were going over with.
So that was the product you saw when you were moving the device.
Right.
Okay.
So one of the expectations of microneedling is that afterwards the client may feel like they have a sunburn or they may feel really tight. Phase helps to relieve that because it has hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is great for the skin. It's something that our bodies produce naturally. It just has been depleted over time. So this helps to really give you that nice, comfortable feeling. The last two products that are in your at-home bag are the Duet Coconut Milk Moisturizer, which is just a really nice basic moisturizer, and the VP22, which is a tinted sunscreen.